Today we're tackling the ventilation duct on the aircraft. Been a little bit neglected over the past couple of years, well, past couple of decades. And so we're gonna get in here, remove this old black tubing, replace it with some new orange scat, and hopefully get some better airflow going through there, because this is some nasty stuff. Alright, the tube we are looking at is that black one right there. And it comes down, feeds into the cabin right there. And you probably ain't gonna be able to see it, but there's a pipe back there and it's being a booger to get off. So we're gonna have to try and figure out something. Well, so you get some light in here. You got a funny look contraption back here. Ventilation tube held on with electrical tape. Alright, here's day 2 of the hose replacement. Already got the new hose installed. Drove up to Aircraft Spruce last week and got the hose. What's left over the new. But a lot of this stuff just brittle holes. This is all for fresh air circulation. This horrible stuff. I mean, rust, everything coming out of these. So got all the ones in the nose area, everything to the forward bulkhead about right in here. So everything from here down, the big 4-inch down to the 2-inch has been replaced. And old Cessna ring clamps. These things are horrible and god awful to get off, but rusted up. So luckily that stuff's all gone. And let's see if we can see up in here real quick. Got a flashlight. Alright. The top hose up there that's not covered up, it's what's been replaced with the black. And then I've already put my doors back on. There's a tube right back there that was a pain to get to, requiring me to go through that hole without having to move the heater. So that was a fun job in itself, but it's done. We're going to inspect the interior ones at annual time, which will come shortly after this video. So, but yeah, that's it. Hopefully we got some better circulation. We're going to go out for a test flight and try out the heater, ventilation, because we replaced some of them tubes too.